Today we're going to talk about Donald Trump losing his appeal. Before we start, in our videos we take a dispassionate assessment of the situation as a citizen. If you're ready, let's revisit this old incident that dates back to the mid-1990s. It began in 1996 when former magazine columnist Jean Carroll alleged that she was sexually assaulted by Donald Trump in a dressing room at the famous Bergdorf Goodman department store in Manhattan. Carroll first made this allegation public in a book published in 2019 and blamed Trump. Trump has steadfastly denied the allegations, stating that he does not know Carroll, that she is not his type, and that the accusations were fabricated to promote his book. These statements prompted Carroll to file a lawsuit against Trump, alleging not only sexual assault, but also defamation. She sued Trump for sexual assault and defamation in a federal court in New York, and two key pieces of evidence were presented to the jury during the trial. The first was the 2005 Access Hollywood video in which Trump made remarks justifying sexual harassment against women. The second piece of evidence presented was similar accusations of sexual assault against Trump by two women, Jessica Leeds and Natasha Stoynoff. Trump's lawyers moved for a mistrial, arguing that this evidence violated due process, but the court denied their motion. In May 2023, the jury found that there was insufficient evidence that Trump raped Carroll. However, it concluded that Carroll had been sexually assaulted and that Trump had defamed her by calling the allegations a hoax. Accordingly, Trump was ordered to pay Carroll a total of $5 million in damages. $2.2 million for sexual assault, $2.98 million for slander. In addition, a different jury awarded Trump $83.3 million in damages for his defamatory statements against Carroll in 2019. Trump has appealed these verdicts. During Jean Carroll's trial, the testimonies of Jessica Leeds and Natasha Stoynoff have become an important part of the case. Both of them made similar allegations about Donald Trump's past behavior in support of Carroll's case. According to Jessica Leeds, she claimed that Trump groped her on a flight in the late 1970s. In her testimony, she said that Trump began touching her as they sat next to each other on the plane and engaged in sexually explicit behavior. Trump's hands were everywhere, like an octopus. He grabbed me by the breasts and tried to pull my skirt up, the statement said. These allegations were used to point to the existence of a pattern of Trump's past behavior. Another testimony came from Natasha Stoynoff, a former People magazine writer. She claimed that Trump forcibly kissed her at his Mar-a-Lago mansion in 2005. Stoynoff said that when she went to the mansion to interview Melania Trump, Trump took her into a room and forcibly tried to kiss her. She also stated that after this incident, Trump told her, "You can't say anything about this to anyone." Trump, however, has denied all of these allegations, calling them a politically motivated conspiracy. Donald Trump has reacted strongly to Jean Carroll's allegations and litigation, immediately denying the allegations he made public in 2019, saying, "Carroll's allegations are a ridiculous hoax." He called Carroll's allegations a complete fabrication. When we look at it, we can't really be sure that these events actually took place. What we do know is that Trump's character and approach may have strengthened Carroll's hand. The court ruled that Trump's statements, especially on social media, were libelous. Trump immediately challenged the $5 million damages award in favor of Carroll and appealed. In the process, his lawyers argued that the court's rulings were biased and that the evidence presented to the jury was unfairly included. Trump's reactions go beyond personal and legal defenses to an effort to protect his image as a political figure and consolidate his supporters. This tough and cynical stance shows that Trump continues to present a different profile from traditional political figures. At the same time, however, these reactions created a chain of evidence against him in court and, in particular, played a decisive role in the outcome of the libel cases, and he lost the appeals process. Do you think Trump was right, What do you think of the court's assessment? Was the amount of compensation too much? Let's talk about it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next video.